Well, that noise, it was coming from the vacuum pump. It was doing the clack, 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 clack. So it was coming from the vacuum pump, because what I did, I took it off the belt, right? I put a plug on it, and I connect my booster to my intake. So the noise, it was coming from that bullshit power vacuum pump. So hope to God I fixed that little problem. Now I'm getting ready to take that bitch off, put those 2 plugs on it. Brakes is working. Connected to the PCB valve, so I can delete that vacuum pump. You out of here, bitch! Think I'm paying $270? My dick. Getting ready to delete that shit. Getting free air. I hope that shit really worked, because I don't want to run out of brakes. This big ass truck. So that's all she wrote. Man, I became a good mechanic. I became a YouTube mechanic. The one that know how to do it all. Damn. It was that the whole time.